যদি তুমি কলেজে পড়ো, তুমি দেখবে যে এআই নিয়ে সবাই কিছু না কিছু কেউ বানাচ্ছে। লাইক কেউ পাইথন শিখছে, কেউ মেশিন লার্নিং, কেউ জেনারেটিভ এআই। আর তুমি লিটারালি কনফিউজড, আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি শিখবো? আর কলেজ শেষ পাওয়ার পর জব পাবো তো? ইফ দিস সাউন্ডস লাইক ইউ, then just listen to me for the next 3 minutes, because honestly you don't need to know everything about AI to get started. আমি যখন কলেজে ছিলাম, আমারও কোনো ক্লিয়ার রোড ম্যাপ ছিল না। কোনটা শিখবো, কোন স্কিলটার ডিমান্ড আছে, ফিউচারে কি হবে, কিছুই পারফেক্টলি ক্লিয়ার ছিল না। অ্যান্ড আই থিঙ্ক দ্য বিগেস্ট মিস্টেক কলেজ স্টুডেন্টস মেক ইজ they try to learn everything at once: Python, machine learning, deep learning, ChatGPT, agents, cloud, data science. And after 6 months, they know a little bit of everything, but they can't actually build anything. So if you're currently confused, here's what I would do. First, pick one direction. Don't say I want to learn AI. That's like too broad. Instead, say I want to become an AI automation developer, or I want to work in machine learning, or I want to build AI powered applications. Pick one. You can change it later, but for the next 3 to 6 months, stop jumping from one thing to another. Second, learn by building. এটা খুব important. Just watching YouTube videos and completing course won't make you job ready. Suppose you are learning AI automation, then don't just learn about AI agent is, build one. Like build something that takes emails, understand them, put the information into database and send appropriate responses. Maybe it will not going to be perfect, that's okay, because you have something you can actually show to someone. Third is build a portfolio. You don't need like 20 projects. Honestly, 3 to 5 projects are really good enough to start. And don't make random projects just because they look cool. Try to solve actual problem. For example, like you could do like, here's how I automated customer support, or like here's how I built AI lead qualification system. Or maybe you can start with, here's how I created AI powered document analysis tool. Now when you apply to a job, you're not saying I know AI, you're basically saying here's the things I actually built. And that's completely different conversation. And I know what some of you will going to be thinking, but what if I don't still get a job? Honestly, you might not, and that's perfectly okay, because your first goal should not be I must get an AI job immediately. Your first goal should be I need to become useful. Because if you can solve a real problem using AI, there are multiple ways to make money from that one skill. You can get a job, you can do freelance, and you can work with small startups as well. You can build your own product, and you can even start a small business around it. And so don't put your entire future on one job application. And one thing, like if you are in your college right now and you feel completely lost, you're not behind. Seriously, you don't need to have your entire life figured out at your 20 or 21. I don't I did not. Most people don't. Just pick one skill, spend your next 6 months getting really good at it, build real things, share your work, and talk to people, apply, fail, improve, and keep going. Because the biggest advantage you have in your college is not knowing everything, it's starting before you feel ready. And so if you are confused about AI right now, don't panic. You don't need the entire roadmap. We need to take the next step.